Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and to another video. If you're new, welcome to the Appalachian home. So I'm usually doing farmhouse sign videos and things like that on my channel, but today I wanted to share with you some ways you can make money using your Cricut machine. So we're going to be talking about doing decals today. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get started making decals using these machines. All the materials you're going to need to get started, and I'm also going to give you some great ideas to get you started making your own decals. You can find Cricut Maker and Cricut Explore Air 2 on several places. Amazon carries them. Cricut.com also carries them for some pretty good deals sometimes, so you just have to look around and check. I got mine actually at Walmart, and there's also some other websites like Joann's you can check out if you're looking to buy one. So this is the Cricut Maker. It's easy to use. It has a storage box down below. It has a slot up here where you can actually store your iPad when it's in use. You can use an iPad with Cricut Maker. And this is the Cricut Explore Air 2. It's very similar to the Maker. It does not have as many features, but for cutting decals it works exactly the same. It uses the same blades. It has a lot of the same storage. And this is the blade housing. This housing will hold all of your pens that you're going to be using for your writing features. And this is your actual blade housing. And it's easy to remove. You just open this clip, push down on the button and remove the blade if it needs replacing, and then you'll push down and insert a new blade and release, and your blade is ready to go. And then you just close the clasps. And these are the blades. You can buy Cricut brand blades at Walmart and online and other things. These are Amazon brand blades, and I've been using them and I really like them. They come in 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree. I normally use the 45 degree blades the most. Another thing that you're going to be using with these machines are cutting mats, and they come in 12 by 12 or 12 by 24. These pink ones are for fabric cutting, and they are for your Cricut Maker. They also come in blue, and the different colors are just for different grips. So the blue is a light grip mat, and I bought these green ones. These are 12 by 24 at Hobby Lobby. They were 40% off, so I actually only paid about $12 for them. And they are standard grips. They work great for pretty much anything you're going to do. There is some other mats. I think they come in strong grip as well. I have found the standard grip mat and the light grip mats work great for most decals. So the only other materials that you're going to need to get started is some adhesive vinyl. So this is adhesive vinyl, and my two favorite brands are Oracle and Cricut. This is Oracle 631. It is removable vinyl, and this is the Cricut removable vinyl. It also comes in permanent, which is non-removable. It's supposed to last for 7 years. Oracle also has permanent vinyl, and it is Oracle 651. It comes in matte or glossy, and there is a variety of colors for you to choose from. But if you're going to be selling your decals, I would definitely recommend getting some premium quality vinyl. And the last thing you're going to need to get started is some transfer tape. If you've watched any of my videos before, I always use the clear peel and stick cheap transfer tape to transfer all of my letters over to vinyl. But if you're going to start selling decals, you definitely need to invest in some very high quality transfer tape that you can actually sell to your customers. This is some transfer tape that I ordered from 651 Vinyl. I like it. It's a little bit stiff, but it does do the job well, and it's something that I would sell to my customers. Do your research. Anything that is recommended to use with Oracle 651 or 631 is going to be a good choice. Just make sure you go with the higher quality and transfer tape. So now we're going to talk about what kind of decals you can make with these. Really, it's endless, all the possibilities you can do. I'm going to show you some of the things that I make with mine, and hopefully that'll give you some ideas to get started. So if you watch my channel, you'll know my favorite thing to make is farmhouse signs, and I do a lot of decals for those. These can also be used on the wall. Customizable decals are also another great option. If you look on Etsy, you can find lots of people who are buying customizable decals, whether it be a monogram or a name, sports themed products. So your Cricut is going to come with design software, and that is called Design Space. So Design Space is free to download online. There's lots of projects inside Design Space you can do. You can also upload your own images and send it out to your cutter, and it will cut it out after you enter your material settings and load your mat. You just hit the go button and it will cut out your design. So when you are weeding out the design from your vinyl, you're going to need some tools. This is a Cricut toolkit that I purchased. I'll leave a link below. You can find them on Amazon and other places, but it comes with some scissors. I also bought a little X-Acto knife for cutting out pieces of vinyl, and it comes with a set of blades. There's also some tweezers and also a vinyl pick that comes with a little hook on the end, makes it very easy to remove vinyl. It comes with a little spatula and some squeegees, and they come in a small size and a large size for pressing down your vinyl. The better vinyl that you have purchased, the easier it is going to be to remove. And when you're using intricate designs such as this one, if you use a high quality vinyl, you're not going to have very much problems at all, and you're going to have less pieces stick and less pieces come off. But if you do have some pieces come off, the tools are handy to replace that. So I ship all of my decals in this brown cardstock envelope, and when I am packaging it, I always use a piece of cardstock to kind of give it some support. I include a thank you note and some instructions so people know how to use your decals the best way possible. And then I just place it in this little cellophane bag and tape it up and place it inside of my envelope, and it's ready to go. So some of the ways you can actually sell your products are definitely online. I use Etsy to kind of put your products out there for people, so it's a little bit easier to get noticed on Etsy because people are already looking there anyway. You definitely can do these on your own website. It just may take a little bit longer to get started that way. You can do these at local craft fairs, or locally you can push some business cards and try to get yourself known there. So I hope I've covered everything and answered all of your questions. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down in the comments. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you back in the next one.